I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, important to pay attention to this idea. This is the weekly chart. This yellow simple moving average is the 200 SMA, and right now the price action is below the 200 SMA. Now, previously, years past, you've seen this act as support and call the bottoms of the price action on multiple occasions. The price action's been below the 200 right now, but basically it's on its third week, right? So this is concerning. It's bearish. Now, the bulls need to obviously regain this level. It's concerning until they do. So I want you to pay attention to how the price action reacts to this level, right? And this is right at about 23,500-ish area, okay? And so, I mean, the bulls regain this level, a lot of buyers jump into the market, right? Because things changed. What you don't want to see is a bearish retest where it goes up to that level, potentially gets rejected. So again, this is a bearish scenario for Bitcoin. But the most important thing I want you to pay attention to about this market is whatever technical analysis is saying, when TA is wrong, you get your best trades. So if you were to get any type of fake out in this area, you look for a strong move the other direction. Okay, so always remember that. When the TA is wrong, and I'm going to go over some stuff right now, whenever these ideas are wrong, those are your best trades. Like sometimes I'm basically looking for the TA to be wrong so I can counter trade them. Okay, so this is a Bitcoin 2-hour chart. We talked about this idea yesterday where a lot of people are drawing it as a falling broadening wedge, or is this a shoulder, head, shoulder, inverse head and shoulders? But you didn't have much of a reaction to as far as the price goes. No volume. There's no volume to confirm it. I mean, this thing is just meandering sideways in the mid-range. And now you had some red volume come in. We're going to talk about the 1-hour chart in just a second. Nothing. Where are the buyers at? That's the bottom line. Why isn't Bitcoin green right now? No one is FOMOing into Bitcoin at 20,700. Right? You don't want to lose the mid-range because then you end up down here, the range low. Okay, so if you were to get a break below here, you'd have this double top, this Adam and Eve double top, and then lose this level. Then, downside, you could test lows in the range. So you need this to be a fake out where I'll show you on the 1-hour chart. So earlier today in group, we were talking about, well, number one, bull traps. Bulls got trapped here, right? And so we've seen, this is about a 7% move out of Bitcoin to the downside. And we short the bull traps and we long the bear traps. And this strategy is by far the most profitable strategy, along with watching S&P 500 futures as far as the stock market goes. Putting those two together, success rate is unbelievable. Now, understand that you had volume breakdown, right? So you have shoulder, head, shoulder, right? The measured move is down here in this area, right? So if you get a bearish retest, would you get continuation to the downside? Wouldn't be surprising. Now, if this is a fake out, because it bears open, everybody is trained to open up shorts based on this downside break, right? Everybody's short right now. They open up their shorts because they're looking for more downside. If the bulls were to regain this level, that would be a bear trap. Bears to be trapped and they would get punished. Right, so understand, like TA says, hey, this is supposed to go here, but if it's a fake out, go the other direction, right? I want TA to be wrong because those are some of the best trades I get in, right here, right? You had this bear trap, and then the bulls just show up, and then you get a bullish retest, higher low, breaks back into the pattern. Everybody opened up shorts right here. Everybody's looking for more downside. The bulls show up, and they break back into the pattern, and the bears get trapped, and you get this explosive move higher. Perfected this idea, and I've never seen so much success trading this market. It's crazy. It used to be like, oh no, the TA wasn't respected, bummer, right? A losing trade. No, it's immediately flipped the other direction. When you can trade this market both ways, the game changes. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person hit me up. She is 21 years old and super excited. She's been in the group for 8 months. She trades a lot on Kucoin, these Kucoin gem picks. She's been killing it. She's got a $50,000 portfolio in 8 months. She's only 21 years old. Bang it. This person, 2 years of trading in the group, bought a house, and they cashed out all their crypto and paid off all their debts. Pretty amazing stuff. This person, 7x, up 7x in 3 days, shorting the markets. This person, been in the group for 3 years, started in 2021 with $9,000. Now he cashed out $200,000 and still has $230,000 left in crypto in the trading account. If you sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Again, we find the bangers every single day, 36%, 30%, 26%, 66%, 16, 24, 30, every day. You're tired of losing in this market, let me help you. S&P 500. So we didn't get any amazing moves out of Bitcoin, nothing groundbreaking. A lot of people were looking for volatility on Monday, and we talked about this overbought idea, where previously overbought here, you had some move to the downside. Bitcoin has been following the S&P 500. So you did lose the support earlier, and now, it's trying to break back and regain this level. But again, if you see downside out of the S&P 500 E-mini futures, which again is open around the clock, so you can see it, not weekends, but you can see it 24 hours a day. You don't want to lose this support level right here. And so if the bulls can put in a move to the upside, maybe it can drag Bitcoin higher with it. You have to pay attention to this. Bitcoin dominance, it's decision time. It's coming. Bitcoin dominance is at this, so previous resistance. Now it's support. A bounce here, bad for altcoins. You can time Bitcoin moves based on this idea. Now it's just, are you going to bounce? Or are you going to break to the downside? This thing heads lower, altcoins, money flows in the altcoins. But you've got hidden bullish divergence, which shows that the trend should continue and this should bounce. So again, upside for Bitcoin dominance would not be good for the altcoins. Everything falls apart in the bear market, right? Things that you wouldn't even think about. Bitcoin mining companies, they can't even pay their electric bills, right? This Compass Mining, they lost their main facility for not paying the electric bill. They said the charges were $1.2 million. Only about half of this has been paid over the last 6 months. Miners losing money. In the United States, obviously electricity is expensive, but things that you don't even think about fall apart. Goldman Sachs comes out and they said Coinbase may need to sack more workers. They downgraded Coinbase stock to sell. Again, Coinbase has had massive layoffs, and now they may need to do it again. They already laid off 18% of the workforce, citing declining revenue and current market conditions. This kills most companies. Now, Coinbase is not going anywhere, but they have to downsize. They're a corporation. They're publicly traded. They're here to make a profit, and people lose interest. Nobody wants anything to do with them. If people only knew that now's the time to be watching Bitcoin and these cryptos for entry, not when everybody's talking about it. You guys know that because you're still here. And again, I have to commend you for making it here. The ones that grind hard through the bear market make ridiculous amounts of money in the bull market. And we're still going to have altcoin season. We still get great shorting opportunities. You make a ton of money in the bear market. It's just different, and you can't just hold blindly. You have to have a skill set. And this skill set that I'm going to help you develop as time passes, just keep watching the channel, make sure to subscribe. The skill set that we build together, gosh, it gets so much easier to trade this market. But right now, we're still hitting the bangers daily. It's like these little altcoin gem picks on Kucoin, 30% compounded gains in 7.5 hours. Like, these coins are just ignoring what Bitcoin's doing. And people get bored of Bitcoin because it's doing nothing. And they go and they trade these altcoins like crazy. Make sure, make a Kucoin account. VIP link is in the description. These gem pick bangers on Kucoin have been killing it. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.